The outside is a little plain.
But it's honest, I feel like I'm in the middle of England, though.
Now, price-wise, we're at $2,700.
That sounds fantastic.
We are looking at a 40-minute commute, so...
Okay, all right. And then what about parking?
Parking is right here, so this is street parking.
Okay.
Let's go in and take a look and see what you think.
Did you see the fireplace?
Yeah, and the hardwood floors.
Tell me more about this floor. Is this original?
So this floor is well over 100 years old.
It's a great little seating space. It's separate from the main house, which is not my ideal.
But they've knocked through here once you go into the kitchen.
This is
Oh my
quite
gosh.
unexpected.
It's beautiful. It's all open, and yeah, it's all modern and redone.
The oven is rather small. Is that usual?
That is a typical British size oven, yes.
It'd be nice to have a bigger oven. I think the home is a reality check. I wanted quintessentially British, but I also want to cook a large meal for my family. It just doesn't seem practical.
Oh my gosh, I love the floors. 2 closets, although they're really small.
I don't have to fit suits in the closet anymore, so that's less space for me.
That's true.
Let's have a look at the other bedroom, which is through this way. Slightly quirky arrangement because you have to kind of step down and then back up.
A little more challenging for the kids, maybe.
Yes, that's
Yes,
true.
we'll need to put a baby gate somewhere.
Yeah, this is a good size. This would be one of the kids' rooms.
It's very sunny.
Okay, well, look, follow me through now. I'm going to take you to see the bathroom.
Oh, this is a good size. What on earth is this?
That is a shower screen.
But it moves? Why?
This is a lot better than I expected, though.
If Chris and Ellie want to feel like they're in England, then I've got to show them a few quirky Victorian properties, because that's what we're used to living with really here.
Wow. It's very sunny.
I love the bricks. That's so great.
Oh my. I mean, I do really enjoy the light.
I mean, this is charm. It's
Yes.
maybe not functionality, but it is incredibly charming. That is definitely more of what Chris is talking about with the style of the house, but I just don't understand the room setup. I don't know how on earth we can make it work with 2 little kids. Oh my gosh, this is great.
I do like it's very minimal maintenance.
The bottom floor is really great. The problem would be the upstairs. We really wanted 3, maybe even 4 bedrooms.
Yeah, the bedrooms I think are an issue, but how far away is it exactly from the city center again?
It's about a 15-minute walk.
Okay, so not exactly right, in the center.
I think if we could have 3 functional bedrooms with all this, I think I would be happy.
They probably do need a bigger house, but for that, I think I'm going to have to find something in the suburbs for Ellie.
I guess that my other hang-up, though, for this place would be the parking.
It makes me a little worried because I know she would want to move even further away from the city center, but anything further away is not something I'm interested in.
Parking is great already.
Richard swings the hunt to the suburbs to get Ellie what she wants.
It's a shorter drive for me. It's got the parking.
Definitely a little bit further than I really wanted. The idea of cycling with the children around the city scares me.
Parking is great already.
You could land a UFO in this space.
I mean, it looks like there's not going to be much traffic around here.
We're about a 30-minute commute,
Definitely, I would say a little bit further than I really wanted.
but it's got 3 bedrooms and 2 baths, and it's got a very soothing price tag for you, Ellie, here, because it's $2,500.
Awesome. Okay, now we're talking.
Yes, but I just don't get that quintessential British feel to it.
Let's go and have a look.
What's that?
Oh, actually, yes, that's for bikes.
I think that's a great idea.
Have a quick look here, because you've got a bathroom there, actually.
Wow, it's a full bath, shower.
But kind of odd placement in the house, though.
You can walk in the door and take a shower before you even enter the house.
I guess it's convenient.
Oh, this is a nice space. And it's carpeted, which is great with the kids.
It's period, but I'm not sure it's the right period I want.
Let's go through to the kitchen, because we have got a bit of an open concept going on there.
Oh, this is actually really a ton of space. Gas range?
It is very convenient, yes. I want to say I have issues, but I really don't. I like the kitchen.
So let's just flow around here into this dining area.
The space does look small, though.
But this looks like it's extendable.
I
and you
think
have,
it is.
Yeah, and you can flow right out into the backyard.
Now, you've actually got another bedroom just through here, but I want to take you upstairs so that you can see the top floor, yeah?
All right. I think maybe the kids would share a bedroom upstairs, perhaps.
Yeah, I guess so. I don't know. I'd want to have them downstairs by themselves.
They're both quite light because they've got these nice big windows.
The paint job is interesting.
Yes, we've got an abstract expressionism feature wall here. Well, look, let's have a look at the bathroom through here.
This is probably the most modern of the rooms in the house.
I love this little bathtub.
Yeah, but it does look kind of tough to bathe children in, though.
So the bedrooms are both similar sizes.
Oh my God, that mirror is a little out of control.
Yeah, I mean, it's a nice room. It has everything we need, but I don't really think it has what we want. I actually feel a little worried because Ellie does like the home. And because it's a closer commute, she's willing to give up this reason why we moved here, which was to experience Cambridge.
Now, how's this for a backyard, guys?
Wow, yeah, this is a lot more space than I was expecting. I love it.
Looks great for the kids, but a lot of work for me, though. It's not something I really look forward to.
Oh, it's not that bad. It's a shorter drive for me. It's got the parking and the price. I mean, that's really going to be super important, and it's going to take a lot of stress off losing that second income.
I just don't see us actually going into the city center and really experiencing Cambridge. We'll just be stuck here.
Chris is looking a bit mardy, like he doesn't really like the place, but I think he needs to see the positives, really.
This house is exactly what I want, but I feel like Chris is feeling vindicated because he's been telling me that we need to spend a little bit more, and he's definitely thinking that he's right and I was wrong about this, but I'm certainly not going to tell him that.
Guess what? I've brought you to see this 4-bed, 2.5-bath house.
Oh, wow, okay.
And as you can see, Ellie, it has its own garage.
Oh, yes, love it.
We do need to come down to earth with a bang, I'm afraid, because it's $3,200.
Okay, that's a lot more than we were gonna pay, though.
Think of everything we get, though. I'm seeing something that I would just see in a fairy tale, something that I always imagined what every house in England looked like. That's a nice entryway.
Yeah, and let's go straight up the stairs and have a look at the bedrooms.
Okay.
I'm loving all the light.
This looks like it's probably the main bedroom, maybe? Because there's a...
ensuite? Oh, wow.
Ooh, okay.
2 skylights. It's
Yeah.
pretty fantastic, actually.
I know, I really like
Oh, my.
Yes.
Not expecting this.
A walk-in closet.
Oh, wow.
It is.
All right.
That's fantastic.
This is all for me.
It's truly walk-in.
Yeah.
You can kind of come in here and close the door.
What else have we got here?
It's another little bedroom.
All right. Well, that's a reasonable size. Another fireplace. I mean, they're very cute, although I could see them being an issue with little kids, maybe.
True.
Yeah, they can get dusty and so on.
And then there's another bedroom in here.
Yeah, go and have a look at that one.
All right.
This is a little tree house, perhaps?
Absolutely.
Oh, this is great. It feels like a bunk bed.
Oh, boy.
No, I think that'll be a great space to get away from the children.
I know what he's thinking. It's just definitely not going to be within our price range, and so that's going to be a huge struggle.
Dare I say, I like this a little bit more than what we thought was the main room.
Wow, look at the garden.
Yeah, that's massive from up here.
I see big ear-to-ear smiles on their faces, but are they prepared to pay for it? How's this?
This is a good amount of space for sure.
It really is.
I don't know what we would put in this space, though.
As you can see around the corner, there's a dining room there.
You know, while we are paying more, we are getting a good bit of extra stuff, though.
What is this?
This is the Great British Range. It stays on permanently, so
Wow.
you can just kind of pop things in the oven as and when you want to, but it's actually incredibly efficient as well.
I definitely see myself cooking a lot of meals, if not 4 or 5 meals at once here, really.
This is exactly what he wants. I know it is. He's definitely going to try and talk me into this. Well, I'm more interested in the garden, to be perfectly honest. Can we go see that?
Lead the way, Ellie. Yes, go for it.
This doesn't even feel like we're in the city anymore. But a 45-minute commute is now going to be, what, an hour?
It's something to consider, but me being home with the children, we can really just go out and explore. When you're not working even, then we're so close to everything. We can really enjoy the city.
Price would be my big thing. I mean, there's one thing to dream about a house like this, and it's another to make it work on a single income. Zach, look, a bicycle.
Eve, are you having fun?
It's a long commute, but I have a garage to come home to every day, and it is super easy to park.
And to be honest, being home with the kids is not really all that bad. This is what mommy does at work all day.
We've been able to get together and meet our neighbors, and we actually have gotten to know a lot of them already.
What was the recipe again?
Everything has turned out really well. We found the perfect home for our family. Zach, come back. Where are you going? We're having a picnic.